guys, we're back with Shine Armor's Swirl and Scratch Remover. This is apparently a miracle scratch remover that you can get from Shine Armor, which gets rid of surface scratches, and I heard it can deal with deep scratches. Now, I don't think this is going to replace your paint, so if you have scratches that go down to the deep metal or your Duraflex, I would either just sand that down and repaint that spot, or try to buff it out, see if that will work. But we're going to try to give an honest review on this today. I have some more surface scratches and we'll build up to deeper scratches throughout the video. So when I got this, they actually just sent me this 3-4 inch tall bottle of Shine Armor. We're going to start with these smaller scratches and get into more of these deeper scratches that actually cut into the Duraflex. I doubt that it's going to just replace the paint there like I said earlier in the video. But pretty much this is all the scratches we're working on, because for an 11-year-old car, the paint is actually really good. I don't have any fading. I don't have any deep scratches or dents on the car. It's in great condition. So we're just going to start here. We're going to focus on here. We'll start with this small scratch here at the top, work our way this way. Then as we go down, the scratches do get a little bit deeper. Like down here, you can actually feel where the clear coat is missing. My shadow's kind of getting in the way here. I can still see it, but it is not as vibrant. As you can, it's blending in now. You can hardly see this scratch. Wow, it's actually doing a way better job than I thought. That looks really good. Scratch is a lot less noticeable. You can still see it if you stare really hard, but I can very hardly see this one and this one. I think if you hit this one or two more times, this would be amazing. So we know it's going to hit the surface level scratches. We know that these smaller scratches, it does a great job on. I wouldn't say it completely erases the scratch. I definitely do not think it completely erases your scratch. I think it makes it 90% less noticeable. In my honest opinion, 90% less noticeable. So we'll move on to the deeper scratch, or well, not really deeper, but we'll move on to the wider scratch over there. See if it's good at covering a larger area. So this part of this whole panel that we're working on right now, this is the part that's always bugged me, right? The smaller scratches, it's like, okay, every car's got smaller scratches. But this wider scratch right here has always bugged me. So as I'm using this, when you first start scrubbing, you can feel the scratch. It's all rough and you can hear it. You can physically hear it. I know my phone's not going to pick that up, but as you're rubbing, it just smoothens out. It gets a lot smooth. You don't hear it anymore. So it's doing something. It is definitely doing something. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is insane. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there is a huge difference in what this was versus what it is now. I can still barely see where it was. Right here, I can still barely see it. You hear that? Squeaky. Nice. But I think this did an amazing job. This did a lot better here than it did here, or at least it's a lot more noticeable, probably because it was such a bigger area. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right here. The point of today's video was to give y'all an honest review over this product. I know there's a lot of mixed reviews out there. Some people say, it's good. Some people say not so good. Some people think it's worth it. Some people think it's don't. For me and my situation with my car, right? These scratches, these scruffs on the side of this bumper has always irritated me. The fact that for $9–10 I can get rid of those without replacing the entire bumper, or at least make them 90% less noticeable, brings me some form of comfort. I think this product is worth it. If you don't plan on replacing any parts, you don't plan on buffing it out, you don't plan on repainting it, this 100% recommend. If you plan on buffing it out, you have the buffer at home, you want to go ahead and buff it, I would say do that, get rid of it completely. But if you don't have the time, don't want to put in that effort right now. You want something cheap, fast, 100% recommend this. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I mean, that was an honest review. I've never used this product before. I've never even heard of Shine Armor before getting this. But I think I'm definitely gonna look into more of their products and we'll go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting the rest of the scruffs out of the front of that bumper. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate it.